Mastering the art of improvisation. The power of without preparation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might encounter in everyday conversations, work settings, or academic discussions, without preparation. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding new words to your vocabulary. It's about grasping the concept of spontaneity and readiness in the English-speaking world. So, let's get started. When we say something was done without preparation, we're talking about actions or tasks performed without any prior planning or rehearsal. This could range from giving a speech to cooking a meal. The emphasis here is on the absence of preparation, which often implies that the person had to rely on their existing knowledge, skills, or instincts to accomplish the task. Everyday life. In casual conversations, you might say, "I had to host the meeting without preparation," to express that you were put on the spot. It conveys a sense of urgency and adaptability, showcasing your ability to handle unexpected situations. Academic and professional settings. In more formal contexts, such as in an academic or professional environment, this phrase can be used to describe situations where there was no opportunity to study or plan ahead. For example, the professor asked me a question about a topic we hadn't covered, and I had to answer without preparation. Tips for usage. Context is key. Make sure the situation truly involved no prior planning. It's a powerful phrase that highlights flexibility and quick thinking. Pair with personal experiences. When sharing stories or giving examples, using without preparation can add a dramatic effect and emphasize your adaptability. Going through situations without preparation can have both positive and negative outcomes. Positively, it can foster creativity, as limitations often encourage innovative thinking. It also develops problem-solving skills, as you're forced to think on your feet. On the downside, it might lead to mistakes or less than optimal performance, underscoring the importance of preparation in certain contexts. One of the best ways to understand and remember the phrase, without preparation, is to see it in action. Try to recall or create scenarios where you or someone else had to act without prior planning. Reflect on these experiences and share them with friends or in language learning groups. This not only helps solidify your grasp of the phrase but also improves your overall language skills through practical application. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, without preparation. Remember, while preparation is key to success in many areas of life, the ability to act without it is a testament to your adaptability, quick thinking, and resilience. We hope this video has been insightful and that you're now more comfortable with using and understanding this phrase in various contexts. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes, the best learning happens without preparation. See you in our next video.